Chapter 1. Genealogical Structure, the Kinship System. B. Defines the affinity relationship and the administration of justice. Disputes between the hula-hula and the buru are usually dealt with amicably when they are brought before the judge. There is often an opportunity by referring to the particular affinal relations between the parties to make an appeal for mutual leniency, and when the judge knows to place the emphasis in the case before him and shows an appreciation of the legal position of both parties, he will often be successful in prevailing upon them to accept a solution that is mutually agreeable and that restores harmony again. Judge's solution will then often be that the plaintiff, if he loses the case, must be given an ulos or piso gift by the defendant to satisfy him as a kind of compensation of his defeat. Should the plaintiff's claim be allowed, that he will be ordered to make a similar present. Which of the two the judge decides upon depends entirely on the nature of the case, the character of the persons concerned, and their relations. As an answer to difficulties that have arisen can also be found by suggesting a renewal, pangaratayon, of the existing affinity link by a new betrothal or a new marriage by virtue of which all claims are foreseen by either side. With regard to disputes between the adnats, the few peacemakers are the Affines. They are, as a rule, the most suitable intermediaries between parties who stand in equal relationship to them. This expressed in a well-known maxim, sinabi la itu, binayad tu harang ni hoda, molo gulut boguna, amana do magtola, molo gulut amana, boguna do magtola. The case is mourned and goes into the house for the back. If the daughters the bogu quarrel, the father settle the dispute. If the fathers quarrel, the bogu settles this dispute. The suitability of the fines to act as mediators is directly related to the features that typify the affinity relations. The fear and respect with which the Vergouwen regard the hula-hula prohibits the flowing its advice or opposing its wishes, and conversely they will not give preference to the one above the other when they have to weigh up the interests of the quarreling members of the hula-hula. The saying, dakea neng mago hula-hula di rohani ianak konna. The ianak can never decide to harm the hula-hula as a moral as well as a practical purport. For the hula-hula, they are the pahatasiat, the ones whose word is accepted, and the hula-hula to reject obstinately its bogus just proposals. The latter Stondi might walk in an adverse way. Confidence in its bogus fairness and honesty is strengthened by the knowledge that it will naturally be impartial and disinterested when confronted with matters relating to its hula-hula, and that it is interested in restoring harmony. For a Bogo group, a dispute in the bosom of its hula-hula over land will always be for it a quarrel over something that lies completely outside its control so long as it continues, and there will be no chance of its members receiving the keepsake down seahole from a deceased father-in-law's property so long as the brother-in-law are in mutual disagreement about their individual portions. And so, if one man quarrels with another and will not give way even though the proposals for a solution are reasonable, his brother will often accept them if it is possible to do so, or if it is not possible, will give an assurance that satisfaction will be forthcoming from the obdurate one. The poor acts in this way secure in the knowledge that this affine is quite convinced that it only has his welfare at heart.